that's frustrating. It's as if I didn't even do it last week, eh? Whoa, don't do that.
Summer days, they go short. Every hour, every minute.
Tires a bit flat.
Every day. Couldn't sleep even if I wanted to. Need to cherish every moment left with you.
Yeah. Yo mate, what up? Welcome to another lawn tip vid. You see the kids have been mowing the grass with the Rusty Inspirations mower. Yes, they did get a bit aggressive and break the handle. Got too keen and they left it. Not smart, but they left it out in the rain a couple of times. But today I want to try the Toro out again. Finally gonna give it a crack again. My back is feeling so much better, which is awesome. So I can handle the weight of that machine now. So we're gonna give it a go, but we need to get the leaves off this Kikuyu first, because, mate, they just keep blowing in like crazy. This tree now is just starting to drop leaves. Look at that. It's going bananas. Starting to drop leaves like crazy. The reason I'm doing another mowing vid again is because it won't be much longer and we won't be mowing this lawn at all. We'll be stuck into construction and irrigation and everything else. So I want to lap this up while I can. I can tell it's already about to go into dormancy, to be honest, because we've had a few heavy frosts and the growth has just slowed down like crazy. It's just what happens with Kikuyu, man. I was actually going to dig out some trenches today or yesterday, but we're supposed to be getting a lot of rain over the next couple of days, and my trenches down there have already filled back in a bit with a bit of soil and stuff. So I don't really want to clean it out, and then it fills back in again. It's just not ideal, so let's get a mow on. And just give the Toro a crack, set it up and get going. Whoa! This thing works well. I even did along the driveway a bit and it just picks them up nicely. I love it. I'm loving this thing. I was looking at getting one of those billy goat ones, you know, the billy goat ones that, it's a billy goat? I think it is. Like the leaf collectors, but in all honesty, this thing has been fine. I've actually really been enjoying it. But half the leaves are blown back on the lawn now anyway. Up that end you can see. Just the way it's gonna be for the next couple of months. All right, let's set this up. Let's change the height of cut on it. Let's get it going, make sure it's cutting properly, and then give this lawn a double cut with the old Toro, see how it comes up. $22 mil. I need to make that a bit higher, shouldn't you? Oh, yeah. So we've had a bit of an oopsie, which I'm pretty sure it's not my fault, it's just what's happened. But you can see in this clip here that the mower cut out, and I stopped recording there and tried to get the mower started again. I thought it was dirty fuel because it had been sitting in there for a couple of months. So I tried to clean the carby out, drain the fuel out, I even changed the oil in the thing. And then I just pulled the air filter off after all that, just here on the mower, and notice on the housing here where the carby is that it's just completely cracked and come off there altogether. So I'm gonna have to buy a replacement part for that, because that is not ideal. Not ideal at all. Now I haven't actually tried to start it again. Obviously I have to clean all the fuel out and stuff, but as you can see, it's not going to be worth it. Oh no, that's shocking. I actually got it started again for a second with some of this that's classic, so Aussie. Some of this stuff here, but it wasn't running very smooth, and yeah, that's probably why. Oh well. So here we go. We'll see how we go. I'll probably, if this rain stops, we've got 20 to 40 mil flying down at the moment. So once this stops, I'll just get the Rover out and cut the lawn, but yeah, it's a bit unfortunate. Back for another day. There's the mower just there. Just waiting for the part to turn up from the guys down at Central West Mowers, which is our local mower shop in town. So, need to mow this now. And it's got leaves on it again. Of course it does. Bro, why? Seriously. You, mate, you need to start dropping more. Hurry up. So, just a double cut with the Rover is going to be what we're going to do today. Maybe even a single cut because it doesn't really grow much, we'll see, but I want to get a mow on it, man. I really just want to get as many mows on it as I can before the season closes out. Because then after that, we're having some fun doing trenching and stuff, which I'm keen for. Just not the weather for trenching at the moment, as you can imagine. Anyway, let's do it. So, I'm gonna be honest with you guys right now, this thing does not need a mow. It doesn't need a mow. There's one of Schnitty's sticks that he always carries around. I want to get a mow on. It's just the way it is. It's what happens when you love your lawn. You enjoy mowing. Sounds weird, but you do. Now, I'm not going to do the edges today because it is far too wet. I'll start just bringing dirt up and making a mess on the concrete. So, and they're not really that bad, to be honest, either. There's some leaves in there and stuff, but the edges are pretty good, to be honest. Still looking pretty tidy. It shows you how much it hasn't grown. But I want to mow anyway, and I'm going to do it. Sun's starting to peek through, which is nice. The lawn is holding some awesome colour at the moment. You can really, I'm really starting to see the difference from where the fert was and it wasn't. You can see it on camera now. You can really see it in person a lot more on camera. It is a little bit harder to see for some reason, not really sure why. But dormancy's coming, man. We had -2 last week. We had frost so thick. I was playing comp golf on Saturday morning, and you'd walk along the fairways. By the time you got to the green, there's like big ice cubes on the bottom of your spikes and your shoes. But yeah, you can see here, it's all starting to go on dormancy. It's starting to get that zebra look around here as well. All around this area, through here, it's all going yellowy. And then that's still looking pretty good compared to this. Here and here, there's a little bit of frost burn in some areas on this lawn. Yeah, actually, wow, you can see it just here, look at this. Hope you guys can see this on camera, but there is a slight bit of frost burn just through this area here. Can you see that? I think you can. Oh no! Right, we'll get some liquid on it again next week. We're doing it every 2 weeks at the moment, just to hold a little bit more colour for a bit longer. It's working, but I mean, when you get frost burn, can't really avoid that. Anyway, let's get the Rover out, let's give it a cut, get it done. actually got quite a bit off this lawn. And it's looking good. It's looking really good after that cut. Must have cut a bit of the yellow stuff off from the frost burn. Must have got a bit more growth coming through, but we've got over half a catcher there. That stuff's beautiful, man. Love it, but the lawn is actually looking really, really pure now. The sun's popped out. Tell you what, that iron and that enhance and that lawn tips mix, mate. Woo! She's looking good. Really happy with it. Really, really stoked for, what are we in? May. Far out. Still going pretty good. Well, thank you everyone for watching. Really, really do appreciate it. Sorry that the Toro sort of kicked out and stopped running for us today. Bit of a bummer. Make sure I get that mower out, if it gets fixed in time, before the season goes and this Kikuyu goes dormant and completely brown. I reckon it's only going to be probably, I'd say 5-6 weeks and this thing will be completely brown, but let's hope not. We'll try to keep it going with that enhance and that mix as well, but who knows. But liquids are definitely the go this time of year. Definitely not putting out any granular fert anymore. There's basically no point because our soil temps are dropping so much, but liquids are the go. Anyway, thanks guys so much for watching. Appreciate you so much. Those signs too are now on the website. They're available for purchase now. Think about making some funny ones as well. If you guys have any ideas on that, chuck them down in the comments. Think about making some funny meme shirts as well, because who doesn't love a good funny shirt? Anyway, thanks guys so much. Appreciate yous, and I'll see you next time.